Crypto isn't dead. It's evolving. While the average person is distracted by the next viral trend, the smart ones are quietly stacking wealth. Because behind the noise, one fact remains. Crypto is still one of the biggest wealth opportunities of our lifetime. But the question is, which coins are dominating right now? How do you get started safely? And what do you actually need to know to win in crypto? Let's break it down. No fluff. Real talk. Let's talk about the king of crypto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin still dominates the market with over half the total value of the entire crypto world. It's the digital gold, and institutions are finally jumping in. Ethereum follows close behind, powering smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi, and more. And now, it's becoming deflationary, meaning its supply is shrinking over time. But that's not all. There are emerging sectors changing the game fast. AI-based tokens like Fetch.ai and Singularity, NetWeb3 infrastructure coins like Render and Helium, Layer 2 scaling solutions like Polygon, Arbitrum and Optimism, gaming and metaverse coins like Gala, Immutable and Sandbox. These aren't just coins, they're ecosystems, and people are building real fortunes by getting in early, studying hard and playing long-term. But let's get real. Crypto isn't just buy low, sell high. It's about timing, strategy and knowledge. You need to understand market cycles, when to buy, when to wait, and when to take profit. You need to study tokenomics, supply, utility, inflation, and how coins are distributed. You must prioritize security, cold wallets, MetaMask, and staying away from scams. Because if you treat crypto like gambling, you'll lose. But if you treat it like a business, you'll win. So how do you even start? Step 1. Pick a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Step 2. Start small. You don't need thousands. Even $50 or $100 can start your journey. Step 3. Buy long-term winners. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic. Step 4. Research daily. Watch CoinMarketCap. Follow credible YouTubers. Join quality crypto communities. And step 5. Diversify. Don't go all in on hype. 60–70% should be in solid projects with long-term potential. Here's how much you should invest. Only what you can afford to lose. But more importantly, invest in your knowledge first. A $50 course or hours of research could save you thousands in bad trades. Start small. Dollar cost average. Build slowly. Crypto isn't a shortcut, it's a multiplier. It rewards the patient, the informed, and the consistent. Let me tell you something real. Crypto isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Banks control your money. Inflation quietly eats your savings. But with crypto, you control your wealth. It's global. It's borderless. It's 24/7. And it doesn't need permission. For the first time in history, you can own, grow, and protect your wealth without middlemen. That's powerful. But most people won't make it. They chase hype. They panic sell. They never study the game. Don't be most people. Be early. Be educated. Be disciplined. That's how you win. Crypto is still early. The next wave is coming. And you have two choices. Sit on the sidelines and say, I wish I had. Or take the first step now and say, I'm glad I did. Subscribe for more content like this. No fluff, just clarity. We're not watching the future unfold, we're building it.